Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo in billet silver. With halogen quad headlamps, premium fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, bright side roof rails, LED tail lamps, power 8-way driver's seat, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 24,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, integrated voice command and Bluetooth, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5877.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.